Chanelle and John have been together for 9 years. John has a daughter from a previous relationship, and together they're parents to 5-year-old Neve. They first met when they worked together at their local cinema.
Our first kiss outside of on the stand at the cinema when we were watching Ant and Dec's alien autopsy, weren't we?
I can't believe
we kind of just snuck out and just had a little kiss on the stand. But then one of the managers seen us on camera and just kind of realised that we were an item and told everybody.
May sound like right softy, you know.
He is a softie.
The couple are planning a big wedding and inviting over 80 guests.
When we've told people we're getting married at Gretna Green, they just presume that it's just going to be us two, just running off and eloping and getting married, but
obviously since...
It's not like that
however long it was since people used to do that.
Chanelle has a very clear idea of what she wants on her wedding day.
We like things a bit different. Most of the stuff that I do is my own design, and that way I can guarantee that I'm not going to go to another wedding next month and they're going to have the same things as me.
She spent months making every single decoration herself.
I had to sit and hand draw and hand cut all of these tags. If it's not how I want it, I will be upset. Just because I know that I'm not a diva or anything. That does sound like I'm not going to be a Bridezilla or anything. No, I just like things a certain way. I'd want to measure the distance between the flowers and the candles. I wouldn't just want them shotting on the table. And then my tags would have to...
She's not a Bridezilla, I promise.
Arriving in Gretna ahead of their wedding are Chanelle and husband-to-be John. At reception, they're greeted by hotel manager cum wedding planner Gillian.
Lovely. Could I just have a card then so I can just be authorised?
Go on, John.
Oh, I thought you were the boss. I thought you were in charge. No, funny that, isn't it?
No, it comes to finances, Mr. Man.
In charge of telling you to pay.
Now, I need to arrange a meeting. We go through the wedding and everything. We'll get that sorted tonight. And then we can sort out all the stuff that you've got in the car.
Yeah.
So you can actually talk through with me as to how you'd want it presented.
Brilliant.
First, perfectionist Chanelle is keen to ensure that Gillian knows exactly what to do with her decorations.
They've moved around a lot in the car, but they should go like that, like a perfect door. They should all fit in.
Our peanut M&Ms have been divided into colours and are going in levels of colour. So I don't know why, it just seemed like a good idea at the time.
In my time here at the Bridezilla Hotel and working in weddings, this is probably the most that somebody's put into making their own favours for certain.
When I've been practising the display at home, I hadn't had the block set out, but now I've got an odd one. I've just got an odd one, and I can't see where to put it.
You're getting tired now, lass. We'll take it as far as we can do for you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah? Trust us a little bit.
Okay.
I think I'm understanding where you're going with this now. Now, is there anything else that you've got lurking around in a box that I need to know about?
The next morning, Chanelle is readying herself in the bridal suite. In the reception room, groom John is on suite duty, with a little help from Gillian.
So I'm assuming you want to go in there.
It's quite manic. Obviously, I haven't seen Chanelle. It's now about 11 o'clock, and as you can see, I'm not even... I need to go and get myself showered and ready, suited and booted. Still stressed, yeah. It all sounds great, and then the second you've actually got to get on with it, there's just so much stuff to do.
Oblivious to the organised chaos downstairs, Chanelle is putting the finishing touches to her bridal attire.
You look lovely. Oh, this is tiny.
Hello. Hi, how are you doing?
Okay.
Do you have a requirement to come and have a look at the room? Would you like to see it?
Yes, please.
I think it looks pretty amazing.
Does it look pretty amazing?
Your stuff on it?
I can't wait to see it.
But a superstitious Chanelle doesn't want John to see her before the ceremony, and he's downstairs.
So I'm thinking that what might be the best option is we get your groom away, and that means your guests have gone as well, so that kind of removes any chance of them seeing you.
If he's late, that means I'm going to be late. I'm going to kill him. Actually kill him.
Safely back in his bedroom, John's about to get a wake-up call.
Let's get this party started. Hey, everyone.
Hey, man.
How's it going?
Better now. I've just locked myself out of my room now. Let's do this.
John is marched out of the building by his groomsmen,
Oh, look at yours. This one for me.
and perfectionist Chanelle can finally inspect the reception room.
Oh, they look amazing. I'm just going to fiddle with the flowers a little bit, just quickly. How long have I got left till I have to get married? Till I have to get married, till I get married. Perfect. Oh, I love it. Let's go and get married.
After her last-minute tweaks, a very happy bride heads off to meet her husband-to-be. After the stress of organising their wedding down to the last detail, Chanelle and John can finally focus on each other.
I, John, accept you, Chanelle, to have and to hold from this day forward, in sickness and in health.
I shall accept you, John, to love and to cherish for as long as we both shall live.
Congratulations, John, you may kiss your wife.
Back at the Gables, all the hard work has paid off, and Chanelle can enjoy her perfect reception.
Everyone today has commented on how different everything is, unique. They've never had a wedding like this. 9 years, you've turned me into the perfectionist that you are.
It really has been like the best day ever, hasn't it?
Yeah?
Absolutely perfect.
What she said.